I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the headphone type matches your device and why that matters: latency and power. Once done, plug wired or pair Bluetooth. Press the pairing button and watch for a blink. This confirms discovery. If wired, insert connector fully. Make sure adapters are seated tight. You do these first steps to avoid later interruptions and to ensure audio routing is correct before you adjust levels and EQ. Now you fine-tune for sound quality and comfort. You choose the correct audio profile and then set overall system volume lower, followed by headphone gain. This prevents clipping. Once set, run a test tone and listen for balance. Swap ears, check mic levels if present, and adjust EQ for bass or treble as needed. Make sure to save profiles or presets on supported devices so you won't repeat these steps every time. Finish by confirming comfort and final sound. Where the headset, tweak clamp and cushion for seal. Comfort affects perceived bass. That's why you adjust it. Use active noise canceling or ambient modes depending on environment and test microphone in a call. If audio drops or noise appears, restart your device, repair Bluetooth, or swap cables and ports. These steps often solve connection faults quickly. If persistent, consult warranty or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.